Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Meet tips and tricks on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to share your screen in Google Meet with your guest. Let me show you how. First thing first, you are in a meeting right here. What you want to do right here to come down below right here. You see this particular icon right here, share screen. Click on it. Now, by default, it's going to capture all tab you have on your browser right here. By the time of making this video, I have about 5 different tabs. Okay, now let's say for instance you want to share from a particular web content, like for instance you want to share from your Google Drive, so you can select Google Drive right here. Now you see the entire Google Drive right here, just like how I have it right here. It's being displayed right here. Now you want to make sure this is turned on and click on share. Once you click on share, it means that everyone in your host is going to have access to the information you've been shared with them, just like so. Now, if you want to share information from Windows, this site will be able to see the content of your screen. Now, if you want to share information from Windows, if you are using Windows PC, navigate to Windows right here, then you have different options right there. See, this is the screen recording I'm using right here, and then you can easily also share all audio outputs right here if you want them to have access to the audio information you are sharing with them. Then select the content you want to share with them, or better still, select from your screen recorder of your Windows PC. If I select this and I hit on share, which means that they will have access to everything I'm being doing on my Windows PC. You can also make use of entire screen right here, which allow them to see everything you are doing on PC, both in Google Meet, in other web browser, as the case may be. And then you can decide to make them have access to the audio. Also share all audio output, turn on this, and then once you turn on that, then select the entire screen that you want to share, then go ahead and click on share right here. And then just like so, you can see now that you are sharing your entire screen with them. So you are presenting. To avoid an infinity minor, don't share your entire screen browser window, blah blah blah. So you can go ahead and click on show my screen anyway. Then just like so, they will have, you can see a recording icon being displayed on your Meet right here. So which means that whatever you are doing on PC is going to be recording and it's going to be showing them right here in Google Meet. It's that simple. Once you want to stop sharing your screen with your others, simply click on stop sharing right here. Both screen and audio will automatically stop. Go ahead and click on that and you are back, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Google Meet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.